Hey, my name is Jamin, and in this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use a dynamic EQ as a DeEsser on your lead vocal. So let's jump into this mix and listen to the lead vocal. You shine more than stars, your glory fills the earth. You are the Almighty. So you can hear the S's around this area between the 4K to 8K. Let's listen to it again. Your light is burning in my heart forever. I will sing for you, Jesus. So the word Jesus, you can hear the S's there. So let's see between the 4K range to the 16 range, especially the 4K to 8K range, you can hear a lot of S's in that area. So I'm using the Waves F's dynamic EQ. So what I'll do is to tame this frequency, okay, that range that actually has the S's. So I'm going to use three knobs. Number one is the range knob, and then number two is the threshold, and then number three is the Q knob. So the range knob, I'm just going to bring it down a little bit and then use a threshold to actually limit it a little bit, and then use the Q knob to adjust the shape of it. So let's listen to it while I dial in these knobs. I'll sing your name, Jesus. I'll sing for you, Jesus. I'll sing your name. You are brighter than the sun. You shine more than stars. Your glory fills the earth. You are the Almighty. Your light is burning in my heart forever. I'll sing for you, Jesus. I'll sing your name, Jesus. I'll sing for you. So for the sake of this tutorials, I just want to do it more so you can hear, the differences between, when I apply the EQ and when the EQ is off. Ooh, Jesus, I'll sing your name. You are brighter than the sun. You shine more than stars. Your glory fills the earth. You are the. So you can hear that, the access has been tamed in that area. So let's listen to it in the context of the mix. Almighty, your light is burning in my heart forever. I'll sing for you, Jesus. You can hear the outcome of the dynamic EQ 7 as a DeEsser on the lead vocal. So you can try this, and if you like this video, why not hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. So this is how to use a dynamic EQ as a DeEsser on your lead vocal.